How's it going, people? Welcome back to the channel. I'm currently sitting in my dad's Renault 5 Maxi Turbo Group B rally car, and we're about to take it on track. Oh, this is the first time I've ever driven my dad's rally car. Like, this is his baby, so I better be careful with it. I have no plans to take it too fast. I mean, this is crazy. I don't know what to say, basically. I'm driving a Renault 5 Maxi Turbo Group B rally car. This is gonna be crazy. It's gravelly. Much better than my car, that's for sure.
It's an aggressive car and it just doesn't live with sorry, let's stop there. Let's have a look what you've hit. You hit the bollard.
I caught the little inside of it, didn't I? The little inside bit. I didn't even realise. I'm so sorry.
Let's have a look.
It would have been on there, surely. Did anything happen?
We got away with it.
We got away with it.
Must have pushed the bollard out of the way.
I thought so. It would have only have caught that tiny little end bit. So.
I felt it on my side. I felt it hit my side.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, boys. That was crazy.
Oh no, can't fix it. We'll find the day when it's drier. We'll find the day when it's drier.
That was mad. Oh my gosh, 1 second. Can you believe that? I just genuinely cannot believe I just drove that. That's actually insane. That's actually as in, I just did not expect, like, I don't know what I was expecting, but whatever I was expecting, it kind of was true, but kind of wasn't true. Mate, that's so nuts. That is so
It's an aggressive
crazy
car, and you have to drive it because it wants to kill you.
Yeah,
Think of it that way.
Yeah. Well, but the thing is, the only thing that wants to kill you really is the turbo, because it's when you're on throttle and you're off turbo, you're okay, but then where it came out at the back over there, all that happened was the turbo just spooled quick, and as soon as the turbo spooled, the back came, but it was very, despite being rear engined or rear mid engined, you can still grab it, and then you have to do more than you do in that, so you have to grab, like,
yeah, you got to do a lot more. But the thing is, what's happening there is I'm saying to you, I'm keeping you in check, because I know that
I'll just send it otherwise.
You'll just send it and then you will be off.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't send it.
No.
And we went through.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you alright, mate?
All I'm thinking is my car is going to go in.
You're funny.
And I've avoided it all day. So,
you're funny.
But to be honest, the problem is I've had 20 years of driving,
and
I've got an idea of
knowing
what
how
it
to
can
do.
cope with, and what it's going to do if you do this,
what
it's do if you do that.
Yeah.
And so for jumping in fresh, I'm thinking, well, I'm going to let you drive it, and then what's going to happen is,
if I just go,
one of those bits is going to jump up and bite you. And then we're either going to have a moment, or we're going to be into something. Like you said, coming out of that thing, as soon as you put the power on, it was gone.
Straight round.
And whereas my mind would have just said, right, I'm going to be aware of that, and then I'm going to wait for a second longer for it's a bit straighter,
and then grab it. The gearbox is actually very nice on it once you start moving. It's here, isn't it? It was just here.
Hit off of it.
Yeah.
Must have moved it out of the way.
I literally, if I caught it with the tiniest part. As you can see, it's literally
the thing is,
there. In all my years of motocross, I've never seen you that stressed.
Well,
you probably were at the side of the track, but I had never seen that level of stress.
Well, the thing is, I'm not necessarily the world's best passenger.
That
would be the very first time I was a passenger in that car.
Really?
First time in 20 odd years. Right, I sat on the other side of the car.
It's weird, isn't it?
Then I'm giving it to someone who's driving it for the first time. And I'm thinking this could go horribly wrong. But did it go horribly wrong? No.
We're good.
See, if I said to you,
go
out there,
go have some fun. That's different.
It's a different thing.
No, it's important to have you alongside, telling me what to do, and having that constant thing in the ear saying,
I know what it's going to do when you get, like when we go from this surface change to there, it wants to spin. If you're going fast, it wants to get out from underneath you. You're on the throttle going off to surface change, it does that. Right? And I know that. It's not like I'm thinking, oh, it just happened to me.
At no point have I questioned your knowledge of the car. I just mean the stress levels were very high.
They were. I've got to admit.
Like you know everything about the car. You know exactly how the car drives. Everything you said was correct. It was just funny to see the level of stress.
I mean, look, I could take you round in it, right? And I'll jump in. I'm going to take you round.
All right, cool. So now the correct way around, basically.
Right, all I'm going to do is say this is what I'm thinking as I approach.
That's fine.
Right. So as I go here. Right. That's we'll do this on a second.
press it. Yeah, got you. The change, yeah, got you. Yeah. You can see, because when you it's just that little moment where you this is between here and here on the throttle is where danger and fine is, basically. Yeah, that's right. There's a very fine line between it.
Between it being a good run, or just turning round and facing the other way. Yeah. And or catching a pothole and it rolling over.
Yeah. Trust me, there was none of me wanted to get ahead of myself. All of me wanted to be within myself, for sure. I respect a very fast car, basically. Boys, I can't believe what I've just done. Driven my dad's Renault 5 Maxi Turbo Group B rally car. Yeah, I mean, my dad's had it, what, 20, 25 years since he built it. And in that time, no one else has ever driven it. And suddenly, opportunity came up. I said to him, is it my turn to drive the Renault? And he said, yeah. And so there it is. Just drove the Renault 5 Maxi Turbo. I've just driven a Group B rally car, boys. Pretty insane. I'm in a state of disrepair. Thank you all so much for your support and for enjoying the content and all that good stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really did. This is obviously more of a video for me rather than a video for teaching you guys about cars and stuff. Oh, actually, before I go, let me just give you my basic reaction to the car. It's a beast. It's so fast. Like, I can't explain the feeling of when you press the throttle, like, it's not that there's turbo lag, there's just a point where the boost really hits, and when the boost really hits, it's game over. Like, the car's just going so quickly at that point that you almost just have no idea it's coming almost. There's just so much boost and it just hits so fast. The brakes are really, like, you have to really press on them to get anything out of them, but when you press hard, you do get stuff out of them. The steering is fine. It doesn't feel any different to anything else. Obviously, it's slightly different to your normal car. Man, it's just a madness, it has to be said. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this nonsense of me driving my dad's car. I know I definitely did. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that great stuff. Massive thank you to the patrons as always, and I'll see you in the next one.